Hey guys, what's up? So today I thought I would film my Naked Cherry unboxing video. I got this a few days ago and I've been wanting to open it so badly. And apparently my phone's going to start ringing now. Give me just a second. So I've been wanting to open this so badly, but I have waited. The only reason the top is open is because my mom thought it was hers, so she opened that part. But yeah, I can't wait to open it, so let's go ahead and do that. All the packaging information. I always love like the Urban Decay, I guess, tissue paper. It just looks pretty. They always like bubble wrap it so tightly. So I'm gonna start with the samples they gave me just to show you guys what samples I got. So I got the Naked Skin Urban Decay highlighting fluid sample. And then they send like a color match thing that just advertises one of their new products. So I got the Naked Cherry palette, which is in like gorgeous packaging, as well as one of the Cherry Vice lipsticks. So I'm going to actually start with the lipstick just so I can talk more about the palette in a minute. So this is one of the ones from the Cherry collection, and this one actually is in Cherry. It just looked so pretty. It's like this nice deep red, and I just thought that was like gorgeous. I thought it would go perfect with the palette. So I really just wanted to get it. It's like a nice plum red. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it looks so gorgeous and I can't wait to start using it. I've never tried one of the Vice lipsticks. I've had like a sample of them before and I liked them. So it'll be cool to try like the full size one. So I cannot wait to get started on using that. So now to what you guys probably clicked on the video for. This is the new Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I absolutely love everything in their Naked collection that I've tried. I actually don't have any of the original palettes, but I have the Smoky and the Naked Heat palette if you've seen my videos. This packaging is very similar. I would say they've made it slightly different, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. Of course it has cherries on it. It feels like a little bit tighter. I think they added like magnets to it. I think that's what feels different. The other ones might have them, but I don't think they're as strong. But yeah, so this is the new palette. It has a bunch of different shades. It starts obviously with some neutral shades on this end and then some darker neutrals on this end. But then the rest of these are, it's got a few peachy tones right here, and then a couple more browns, and then some more reddy tones up here, which I'm actually really happy about. From the pictures, I thought it had like a lot more red tones. I didn't realize some of these were like more peachy, which is really exciting. And then of course it comes with like their traditional brush they give you in these palettes. It has about 7 mattes and then the rest of them are sparkly. And they just look so pretty. If you guys want to see swatches of these, be looking for that on my blog. I cannot wait to take pictures of all this and get swatches and everything going. I would swatch them right now, but I just feel like that would take too long for the video just for this. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. Like, they look gorgeous. They feel really smooth. I'm just super excited to try this, you guys. Are you guys going to get this palette? Like, are you excited to try this as well? Let me know in the comments if you guys are excited for this palette. I know I saw some comments where a bunch of people are as excited as I am, and there's like another group of people that were upset that they released another like red hued palette. They're hoping for like more purpley or something, which Urban Decay, if you ever watch this for some reason, if you released like a Naked Plum palette, I would totally buy that. Like this one I'm super excited about, but I would totally be into a purple one or any jewel tone ones that you want to release as well. Let me know if you guys enjoy seeing videos like this in the comments, and let me know if you're excited for this palette or what you would have preferred they did. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!